Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dream and today's transformation is extremely special because atti navratri chalu thai chhe and today's transformation is all related about that. This is the kurti. Now you can see it's very boring and really not my style, and I thought I could transform it into something fun, trendy, and most importantly in something navratri style. Now you can see ardu to chhe bas bichu ardu karwanu chhe. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Measure and cut down from here so it turns up into a crop top. Now for adding the bottom design, take a light weight fabric such as georgette. I really couldn't find a similar color fabric, so I used a dupatta instead. I cut the dupatta in the half from the middle, and the length was still sufficient enough for me even after attaching it on each side equally. Cut it from the middle so you will have two separate pieces like so. Find a midpoint of the front and the back as well and mark it with the help of a chalk. Make long hand stitches on the edges and accordingly gather it to fit to your waist size. Now for adding it to the top, now place the bottom on the top from the front marking to the back marking like in a semicircular motion. Pin down the bottom to the top facing right sides together on half side like so and attach it with a straight stitch. So when you open it up, it looks something like this. And similarly do it for the other side as well. Remove the hand stitch and you should be almost done here, but the length was very big on me, so I decided to reduce it 5 inch from the bottom on both the sides. Now for the bottom finishing, close it down by double folding it on both the sides. And I also added this lace on the bottom so it looks more fun and trendy. And that's it. You're done. For watching, I hope you enjoyed the transformation, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe karo na bhulta nahi. Now if you want, you can close down the back completely, similarly which I did in a red kurti ahead, but I kept it open because yaar ramta time mein pavu jo biju kai nahi. Now I also have so much of fabric left, as you can see, and I really don't know what to do with it. So if you have any suggestions or idea, please let me know in the comment section below. Also don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. And until next time, Dream! Avjo!